Heated seats. Winter's here, and when it's freezing outside, heated car seats feel like a lifesaver. But the more we use this feature, the more we need to realize it's not just about comfort. There are real health risks involved. Let's talk about why you should think twice. The core problem. The issue is that heat from the seat doesn't just warm the surface, it penetrates your body. For men, even a small temperature increase around the pelvis, just 4 or 5 degrees, can disrupt reproductive function. This might lower sperm quality and raise the risk of inflammation, like prostatitis or even prostate enlargement. Women are less vulnerable to these issues, but can still experience discomfort or skin irritation. What happens to your body? Sitting on prolonged heat relaxes your muscles, which isn't always good for your spine. Over time, it could lead to chronic back or joint pain. Plus, too much heat promotes sweat rashes and other skin problems, not exactly the cozy ride you signed up for. How to use heated seats wisely. Good news, you can enjoy warmth safely. Here's what I do. Warm up before driving. Turn seats on for 10 to 15 minutes before you start driving. Get in, enjoy the cozy seat, then shut it off. Low and intermittent. For long trips, use the lowest setting and take breaks from the heat. This cuts overheating risks. Try alternatives, no time to pre-warm. Lay a blanket over cold seats instead of direct contact. My takeaway. From my own experience, smart use of heated seats keeps you comfy even in deep cold. I'm all about mixing tech with simple solutions. Warmth should help, not hurt. When it comes to your health, a little less comfort now beats back pain or other issues later. Stay warm safely and make every drive smooth and healthy.